Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. This video is kind of sort of like a vlog or whatever. I don't know, I don't even know how it's gonna go, but yeah, I'm just here chilling. It's a Friday, so babe and I decided to just, get out of the house, get away, and just do some stuff together that we really enjoy doing. I mean, we just came off a lockdown and the place is kind of open up, and so we can actually get out and have some fun. So today we decided to go to the city and do some shopping and just have some fun, because that's something that we both enjoy doing together. So that's what we did. And after that we decided to just look into a hotel and chill. Hold on. Anyways, your girl got braids. Yes, talk to me nice. I got braids. I did them last night. They're really nice. I'm in love. It's my first time braiding my hair like this. Well, I braided my own hair to the back already, and it was okay. But with hair and all of that, I've never done it like this before, so I really like it. I love it. Came out really nice. Love it, love it, love it. I wanted to record this, but really, as Tasha comes to this happen. Yeah. I actually wanted to record how I did this, but I never thought about that until I was like halfway through, and I was like, it doesn't make any sense now. So there's no video for this, but I love the style, as I said, so I think I'll definitely be doing it again, maybe with a different color or just black. So when I do that, I'll definitely record it for you guys. So yeah, as I said before, we did what we do together, what we enjoy doing together, which is shopping. We're shopaholics. The first step is admitting it. Okay, admitting it. Anyways guys, so I think I should show you guys what I got. I never got much, but yeah. All right, so the first bag I have here is so I got me this nice jacket. I didn't even get to try it. I hope the size is good, but look at this, guys. Ooh, it's so freaking cute. I like the print. I just like the style, and I think it's gonna look really good on me. I don't really wear a lot of jackets, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try it. When I saw this one, I was like, I had to have it. So that's what I have here going on.
I love that jacket for you.
You love it? Mm. Yay!
They didn't have my size.
Wait, they're gonna buy one for yourself? That would be awkward. Duh, you have to be joking.
No, but it look unisex though.
It's not unisex, nothing.
You sure can't fit me? I see me fling my body now.
I know someone believe you. Anyways, okay guys, so yeah, I got me a nice pair of Chloe boots because again I saw them and they were extremely cute, so I got me that, and this is what it looks like. So sexy. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Ooh. Has a zip at the side. Love it, love it, love it. I feel a water boot, but I like it. No, babe. We got them water boot, them, but it don't look like some of them will look really ugly. Like Balenciaga makes up. See the ugly black Balenciaga one in the place. Oh my god.
I'm gonna take it up and set this away. I'm just turning my head so I can really.
Oh my god.
I was like, baby, really gonna buy that now?
Just me, but these are cute. I like these little getaway dates that we have. because babe always buy me something nice.
You know? I come outside and I really want to talk about it.
But that's not the only reason why I like them. Like, we really get to spend time alone and do fun things, because we always lock up in the house, especially at a time like this. But I really enjoy the shopping part of it, of course. Like, who wouldn't enjoy that? So yeah. Next thing I got myself was this. God, I don't know why the lady did all of this. Babe, can you pull this for me? My fingernail, please. So while babe opens that, we're just gonna move along. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys another shoe that I got. I got me these nice Balenciagas. Comes with the extra lace, the dust bag, and all that extra stuff. I was very indecisive because I wasn't sure if I should get these or the other chunky ones, but I was like, I kind of like these more, so I got these ones. I don't know if you guys can see properly, but yeah, I got these ones. I hope I still like them when I try them on with my outfit and stuff though, because I'm very weird like that. Like, I like it and everything in the store, try it on the store, like it, and then I get home and it just not give me that vibe there again. Like, it not hit like how it did a hit, and then it just get parked. But I really like it now, same way. Even looking at it now, I still like it. So yeah, so I got that too. And this is actually my first pair of Balenciagas. Thank you, babe. Thank you so much. So I also got this nice, really cute Marc Jacobs bag. This is the dust bag that it came in. And okay, so this one, I really like these. They're really cute. I've always seen them, and I was also very indecisive about buying one as well, but today I was like, you know what, I had this gut feeling that said just go for it, and I just did that.
I remember me tell us a big one with it. Don't leave out that part. It's not no gut feeling. You don't think about it.
Yeah, and I came.
Should I?
Okay, all right. Since you want your credit, all right. So guys, what had happened was, I wanted to buy this bag for a while now, right? I always went into the store and saw it, but I was like, I don't really need that. I'm not buy it. So today, while we were shopping, I saw it again, and I was like, baby, I always don't want to buy that bag there, but I wonder if I really need to buy it or whatever. And just today I talk about it, and babe was like, just go ahead and buy it, since you always want it, because you can always come in here and see it and say the same thing. And me just started for areas, so that no, so just buy it. And I just went ahead and I bought the bag. So yeah, babe did that.
Good so.
You happy now?
Yes.
You happy now, sweetie?
Very.
Good so. Like, okay then. So yeah, this is the bag, guys. Love it. I love the straps, very thick and nice. And yeah, this is basically, this is just it. Pair of Chloe slippers as well. This is nothing special, just like regular, very cute or whatever. Nice, so look good on girl photo, I have my white toes and all that good stuff. Yeah, I drop my sexy feet in a she trouble. So yeah, why am I like by some of them, but I hate the boxes, them like the closets are go full, but they need more closet space, honestly. So moving right along. So I got this little Balmain top, just a regular top. I thought that it went well with my the Balenciaga sneakers, so that's why I got it. This Coach bag, this is the dust bag that it comes in. That's the Coach on there. What the heck? Looks like this. This is so freaking cute. Like I loved it. They have it in another color, but I didn't buy it because I wanted a shoe to go with the other color, and they didn't have my size in the shoe, so I was like, there was no reason for me to buy the bag like right now. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute, and the strap is very long. It's really a crossbody bag, so this is how long it is. Yes, nice. So guys, that's everything I got today. Yeah, and babe got a bunch of stuff. Like babe buy one bag of something. So nobody go like I say me alone buy.
You buy more than me. If I ever want something more than me, baby, you know.
You buy a whole heap of things, and I be a dear stuff me buy. So go on buy business. Anyways, so yeah. I can borrow the outside later though. It'll look good for me, you know. So my ear flat now. You think so? I'm my head too big feet.
It'll look good. You can lift it up a little more.
I want to pull up my edges them, you know. Yeah, me have to move the back part, it depends on the smaller one. Guys, I'm not big, my head big. It just something at the back too tight. Shut up, it don't fit up on that something there. It don't do that because your head bigger than my head.
I was still say head bigger than mine, and now you prove it, right?
Your head bigger than my head.
See that look? This fit me.
It don't fit you. It fit me too because I have the braids and I never want to mess up my edges.
See that? And it can't fit you on this. Now you prove it, so your head bigger than mine.
My head don't bigger than. Oh, my head bigger than your one.
Okay.
Oh, my head bigger than your head though.
If that for another blog, we two away, I wait them vlog or blog. Me two away, I go in the video and show it and.
Freaking retard. But two we're gonna have some show. Oh, my buy something else, guys. We got to show them. Shut up. I bought this shorts in Zara. It's all little shorts. Nothing special about it. So yeah, me buy something else. I look at $20 shorts. So yeah, guys, going to go to this lounge place we see downstairs, and yeah, we might go there some biblical, and then there's a lot of places down like on the street where we are, like a lot of shops, bars, restaurants, cafe, like everything. So it's a really nice strip road or whatever you call that. So we're gonna have some fun later on, and I'm gonna try my best to bring you guys along with me. Hopefully remember for vlog, because when I have fun I'm in an element sometime when I member. So I'm gonna try my best for member, and yeah, I'll see you guys then. So babe, remind me.
Yeah.
So if you don't see my vlog, you don't blame babe and my fault.
Okay.
Alright. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
No, baby. Listen, I'll see you guys in my next video. What's it?
No, dumb. Me say me talk to them later, so it will be my next video.
Oh, you add it to this video?
Yeah.
Oh, cause me help you with it. Like, let's start the video something there. Yeah?
Anyways, guys,
I really don't.
Mega explain the video some of them to be and I'll see you guys later when we're going out. So yeah, bye.